As you can see, the packaging is top-notch, just like you'd expect from the original brand. The Air Jordan 1 Retro High OG Shadow 2.0s are a classic, and ckshoes.com has nailed every detail. From the high-quality materials to the authentic design, these shoes are a must-have for any sneakerhead. Now, let me tell you a bit more about ckshoes.com. This website is a treasure trove for sneaker enthusiasts. They have their own factory specializing in brand sneakers, most of which are made from the exact same materials as the originals. This means you're getting top-notch quality at a fraction of the price. At ckshoes.com, you can find an extensive range of products, including Air Jordans, Nike, Adidas, Yeezy, Off-White, Dior, Gucci, and much more. Whether you're looking for shoes, slides, clothes, hats, or accessories, they have it all. And the best part? Everything is on sale. And here's an exclusive deal for you, our loyal viewers. Click the link in the description to join their Discord or WhatsApp group and get a 25% discount code. You can also use the code TBP for an additional 15% off on your purchase. Don't miss out on these incredible savings. If you're impressed by these shoes, head over to ckshoes.com right now. The link is in the description. Trust me, you won't be disappointed. And don't forget to mention that the Business Promote sent you. For more updates, follow ckshoes.com on their social media platforms. All the links are in the description box below. Stay connected and be the first to know about the latest releases and exclusive discounts. That's it for today's unboxing. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to the Business Promote channel. Hit the bell icon to stay notified of our latest videos. And once again, a huge thank you to ckshoes.com for providing these amazing Air Jordan 1 Retro High OG Shadow 2.0s.